Topstep traders are in panic mode right now. There's payouts that are getting denied. The platform continues to go down, and Project X is having massive problems. But that's not all. We've also got major sales happening across the prop firm industry, which is totally great for 2026. We've got critical trading psychology things I want to talk to you about, setting goals going into this new year with your trading. And I also have updates to my prop comparison list and a potential scam that I think that we need to be on the lookout for. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, let's start with the big news. It's happening at Topstep. And honestly, really, this is just not pretty. We're seeing the consistent server outages. There's traders getting denied payouts after passing evaluations and stuff because the platform is not recording the information, people getting stuck into positions, all the stuff that we've seen. You've heard about it, I'm sure. If you haven't, it's bad. And Iman did a video here recently on it that was released here a few days back now. And it was talking about basically, the Trustpilot reviews over here at Topstep and how they've just absolutely plummeted. These 1-star reviews are coming through. And it's kind of like this really polarized way of looking at it. We've got half the people saying, that it's top notch and everything at Topstep is wonderful. But then there's also the other side of the people that are just really upset because they had several days of outages and several days of being stuck into positions where people couldn't close. And then basically they didn't say anything about making it right. And as far as I know, they still haven't really done anything to rectify the situation. So people are not happy. And I mean, rightfully so. I mean, if we look, here's one from 2 hours ago. The in-house Topstep platform had problems for 3 days straight. Instead of acknowledging this, they told customers that they had only been a total of 30 minutes of platform downtime. As a compensation for 3 lost funded accounts, I was offered 2 resets and 50% off the next challenge. Honestly, what is that supposed to mean? We didn't have the chance to do anything during those 3 days, not even close a trade. The outages are one problem, but the poor support handling afterwards is another. So if Topstep compensates me as I deserve and fixes the platform so that it doesn't happen again, I'm willing to delete this review. But 2 resets on challenge accounts are not enough to compensate for the loss of 3 XFAs. And if you're not familiar, those are the funded accounts through Topstep. Fortunately, there are many better alternatives out there. And that's the truth. And we're going to get into that a little bit later in the video. There's plenty of other places to trade. So here's another one here 2 hours ago. I was with Topstep for a few years. And after all these problems with their platform, Topstep X, I could say avoid them. No compensation, nothing. I closed all my accounts with them and moved to a different firm. Promises and promises. Just shut the F up, Topstep. Gotcha. Like, I'm with you, man. I hear what these people are saying. It's unfortunate that it's happened like this because, like Iman was saying, and I think the title of his video really says it all. It's 13 years of trust destroyed in 2 months. 13 years of trust destroyed in 2 months with Topstep. And it's worth checking out if you guys want to hop over there after you finish watching this and see what he has to say about this, because it's pretty brutal. It really is pretty brutal. But let's go and move into something a little bit more helpful and advantageous for us. Let's talk about some of these sales that we have going on right now in the space. It's crazy what's going on. So with YRM right now is having a really deep discounted sale. The 50K accounts, the evaluation accounts are marked way down. So you can see here they're $45, 100K at $95, the 150K at $145. And then also the instant prime accounts are knocked down as well. You can see there's a coupon code here for YRM40. Don't use that code. Use my code because you'll get 50% off instead. And 50% off is better than 40% off, right? The same thing with the starter. I think this one comes out the door, the evaluation account, $45 for a 50K. It comes down to like $41 with my code. No activation fee. All you got to do is pass and that's it. You're all in. My pick for this particular firm, though, is the 150K account. We have the instant straight to funded. It's called Instant Prime with YRM. We can go straight to funded. So if it's $900 regularly, we knock 50% off with my code RTF. We'll be down to $450, and then you'll have a $4,500 drawdown for $450. There's a 20% consistency rule. 10 days minimum to get the payout, right? Maximum 3 accounts. You can do trade copying if you want. They have a 90-10 profit split. There is no real buffer. You only have to keep $100 in there. It's worth looking into if you want to get a affordable option right now. This is on sale and it's really nice. Also, Earn to Trade. This is another partnership that I have. They are 60% off right now. The career path all the career path account sizes are 60% off. We also have 20% off the Gauntlet Mini. These are 20% off. And we also have a small amount here. If I take a look real quick, yeah, we've got, so it's the 25K and the 50K resets right here on the career path. So 25K reset on the career path, $55, and the 50K reset on the career path is $65. So we have these running till the end of the year for Earn to Trade. They also moved up recently. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later in the video. Also, my number one pick, and still is my number one pick, is Lucid right now. The Lucid sales are really, really great. We've got 50% off for new users with their first 2 purchases of either LucidFlex or Lucid Pro. So you get 50% off each of these accounts, no matter what size, for their first 2 if you're a new customer. And then there's 45% or 40% off the 50K and the 25Ks, either Lucid Pro or LucidFlex. Both of these account sizes, 40% off with my code RTF. And then it's 30% off anything else in here, whether it's Lucid Direct or any of the other sizes or accounts. So if you have a 100K Flex account or 150K Flex account, you can still get those for 30% off using my code. Also, you get a free reset. And people have been asking me about how this works. If you buy 5 purchases of either LucidFlex or Lucid Pro, which is their evaluation path, these first 2 tabs that you see right here, if you buy either one of those 5 accounts, you get a free reset too while this sale and promotion is going on. Make sure you use my code. And the way that it works is it'll be there. If you buy 5 pros or 5 evals, when you go to reset, it'll be free. You'll get 1 reset for free, which is great. We also have Prop Shop Trader. You're going to want to jump on a Discord to get the details on some of these other ones that are in here because there's just so many. But if you jump on my Discord, it's totally free. There's a link down there in the description. And just go ahead and verify with us and you can see all the different promotions that I've got. And I'm trying to work with these different companies to get us exclusive discounts with my channel. Not all of them do. Some of them are just a standard discounts. But I'm doing the best I can to get us the best pricing that we can get for our challenges, for our straight to funded accounts, for whatever it is that we're looking at. So also, jump on Discord because it's not there yet, but it will be very soon within the next month. My goal is to have it up by February. We are going to be doing account giveaways. We're going to do account giveaways on this channel. I'm working with some of the different firms to get us some different accounts and account sizes, and I want to do raffles and stuff and be able to give away some of this stuff to you guys for free. It's a way for me to give back to the community, which is totally awesome, and it can help you too. So definitely join Discord, jump on there for that. Let's see what else we've got. So let's move on now to the next thing. And I'm just going to jump right here and we're going to have this discussion here, you and I, about the trading psychology. Because this is something that I have a lot of opinions in, and these opinions that I have about trading psychology have changed from the time that I started trading until now where I am, and I'm sure they'll probably continue to evolve and change as time goes on. I'm very big about psychology. I personally feel today that, and this is a controversial take, but I'm going to say it because it's important, I think, to try to understand these things on a little bit deeper level than just trading psychology. That sounds nice. What does that mean? To me, there is no such thing as trading psychology. I know it's a hot take. Just hear me out. There's no such thing as trading psychology. There's only psychology. Trading psychology is not its own special form of psychology. It's just psychology. And what it comes down to ultimately at the end of the day is a few things. One of them is, can I be honest with myself? Can I be honest with myself about what I'm doing in my life, about what I'm doing in my trading, about what I'm doing in my relationships, about what I'm doing at my job, about what anywhere? Can I be honest? Am I an honest person? Do I tell the truth? And the reason that I say that is because if I can't be honest with myself about my behavior and activity during trading or anything else, remember, this is how you do one thing is how you do everything. If I can't be honest with myself about what I'm doing in my trading or what I'm doing in my job or what I'm doing with my kids or what I'm doing in general, if I can't accurately look at what I'm doing and say, there's some room for improvement there. If my pride and my ego is too big and in the way, if I'm telling myself things like, but I don't really need to change this stuff because, and sitting there making excuse after excuse, then trading is not going to work for me. Because the problem with trading, especially day trading, high octane, highly leveraged futures, is that the room for forgiveness, even though it is there because you can actually make back tons of money in a small amount of time, is it's also very unforgiving. And what do I mean by that? I mean, all it takes is one day. Let's just say you were profitable now for 6 months, following your plan, super disciplined, doing everything you need to do, placing great trades, taking my losses well when I lose, it's okay. And I make and say I've started to really grow some accounts. Say I've started to take payouts from prop firms and all those things are happening. Awesome, which is great, right? It only takes one day of me getting mad, going in there, taking a couple losses, being aggravated and angry because the market didn't do what I wanted it to, which is ultimately what it comes down to, right? The market didn't do what I wanted it to, and now I'm going to overreact and act like a 5-year-old and start revenge trading until I eventually self-sabotage and destroy my account and destroy myself. That's what it really is. YouTubers don't want to come on here and say a video like this, either because A, they don't really know, or B, because it doesn't sell a lot of prop firm challenges for me to come in here and have a super honest talk with you straight up like this. It doesn't. But because I'm actually invested in whether or not you do well, I don't care how many prop firm challenges you buy using my code. I know I come on here and promote it. I do. It's not like I'm not selling those challenges. I am. But I also have a responsibility to try to guide you in a way that will allow you to make the changes necessary to truly do something amazing with what you're trying to do. Not continue to stay in the same hamster wheel, stuck, making the same mistakes, doing the same thing that I've been doing for years, do well for a little while, get mad, have a meltdown, blow up 3 evaluation accounts or 3 funded accounts because who cares? It doesn't really matter anyway. But I've got to check myself at some point. If I can't be honest with myself, because here's the deal. If I can't overcome those challenges that I need to overcome in 2026, whatever they may be for you, whether it's revenge trading, whether it's over trading, whatever your specific challenges are, you already know that they need to change. Now, unless you're brand new and you don't have any experience yet, but almost everybody that's been in this for any period of time, a month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, anything, yeah, I have a tendency to overtrade. Yeah, I have a tendency to go on tilt and revenge. You know that. It has to change. It has to change. Otherwise, what am I doing? If I really want this to be a career, if I really want to be profitable, if I really want to make this into something that's going to support me and my family for the rest of my life and potentially generations after, what am I doing? Am I going to have a little meltdown every time I don't get my way in the market? Because that's not really helpful. It will not get me where I need to go. Now, all that being said, I understand how harsh and tough that sounds. You also have to be able to give yourself a break. Look, if you've been revenge trading for the past 5 years, it's not going to change in one session. But there has to be something in place that will allow me to A, identify when it's happened, and B, try to make adjustments to figure out what it is that needs to change so it doesn't happen anymore. Because if I cannot accept the absolute 100% truth that if I don't change, my trading results won't change. And that's it. That's my message to you for 2026. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what it is that you need to work on, something you already know needs to change. And then say what it is. And then do you have a plan? Do you have a plan to try to change it? Do you need help with that plan? Jump in the Discord too and send me a message or whatever. I'm in there. I talk to people all the time. I'll try to help you if I can. But anyway, that's enough for this. Let's move on to the next thing, which is the updates to the comparison lists. Okay, so here we go. I did some updates to the public sheet, which I'm super happy about. We went ahead and we moved some people. So there's some different prop firms that moved up. Okay, Earn to Trade has moved into the green category. I've been in communication with them now for well over a month. They're a big, big firm. They're not real big with us here in the United States, but they're big. And they have a strong history of paying people out. They have a good reputation. This is a real legitimate company. So I want them to be in the green place in one of my higher ranked firms so that you guys can go ahead and feel comfortable and safe about using that particular prop firm. The next one is Funded Next. Funded Next, apparently, they have the most traffic of all the firms that exist. Now, one of the reasons is because Funded Next also is partnered up. Like, I think it started as Funded Pips. There's Forex involved in this too, but it is a huge futures firm as well. So there's that. And we went ahead and we're going to fast track them right into the green area here, because while I've never personally taken a payout from either one of these, they're reputable enough for me to feel confident to say that you guys are totally okay to use these prop firms for right now, unless something changes. And if it does, which they do from time to time, things come up. I just spoke about Topstep a little bit earlier in this video. My opinion is not for sale on this channel. It's not. These are my personal opinions, and the way that I've ranked this is not. Nobody's paying me to put their name on there. And if I don't like your prop firm, or I don't think that it's a good fit, it doesn't go on there, or it goes into the yellow or the red category. Now, one of the first people that we talked about on this was YRM. See, YRM's still in the yellow spot down here, not because I don't believe they won't pay you, but just because they're brand new. They've only been around now for, well, it's been several months now. They're going to get ready to move up here pretty soon, especially we'll see how after this sale everything goes. But they're doing really well. They have a history of paying people out. They have a history of doing customer service. If you write an email in, they respond. If you go into Discord and ask a question, they respond. That's critically important to me to be able to put them on this list. The second thing here now is these red ones. There's a new thing that's out right now, this tenacity trading. I don't know if you guys have seen the video. There's a video that someone did. I want to make this clear. I'm not saying that this is a scam. What I am saying, though, in my red category here is that to avoid this, it possibly could be a scam. I don't have a good feeling about this particular model. I don't really like the way that it was presented. I'm concerned. I have concerns about whether or not this company actually will be viable to make the payments. I understand that the way they explained it, it sounds that it's like, no, there's only this much money, and no matter what happens, I'm not sure if this model works. And until they have a history of really like paying people out, good customer service, and we see positive results coming back from the community, I'm going to keep them on the red list, because I just have a feeling, and I haven't trusted that feeling sometimes in the past, like back with Fast Track. I had that same feeling, and I went and I just said, no, it's probably okay. And it wasn't. A bunch of people lost money, myself included. And I don't want to put people in that position again, especially not when we have so many other options, just like that Trustpilot review said. Well, there's so many other options with all these other firms that we can trade at that are good. So anyway, that's the full update, guys. We've got the Topstep situation. We have the sales that are happening now across the industry. There's tons of them. Jump on Discord. You can find more. Some psychology tips, that honest, real, truthful speech I'm giving you about your psychology. And then, updated rankings, the scam alert. So if this industry, it moves fast, there's always something happening here. And I do my best to try to stay abreast of the things that I feel are actually important, not just drama. There's a lot of drama in the space, and I don't really care about the drama. I'm talking about things that are going to affect our bottom line, things that are going to directly affect us as traders and what we need to do in terms of our accounts, where we should be putting our money, that kind of stuff. So if you don't want to miss the next update, please hit the subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what firm you're going to be trading with this year. Let me know also if you have anything about those psychology struggles that you want to work on, or anything you want to talk about. Good luck out there. Stay safe. I will see you on the next one.